Micro insurance. Kora daakye.
Sike agwa sike. Sika wata bainti unyesi bio.
Sike agwa sike. Sika wata bainti unyesi bio. Sika agwa sika. Sika wata bainti unyesi bio.
In line with the National Insurance Commission and GIZ's aim of promoting microinsurance in Ghana, 15 communities in the central and western regions of Ghana had the opportunity of benefiting from a microinsurance roadshow. These communities include Jukwa, Twifo Praso, Twifo Hemai, Ekron, Mori, Elmina, Komenda, Ejumakun, Enyandenchra, and Asen Manso, all in the central region, and Biposo, Shama, Abuazi, Agona Junction, and Aponwa in the western region. The main feature of the roadshow was the Kora daakye film. This film, produced by GIZ in the latter part of 2011, seeks to educate and inform viewers on the need to protect one against future uncertainties. It certainly created the much needed awareness about other vital insurance products besides the national health insurance and the motor insurance policies. The focus group discussions served as a monitoring mechanism through which an assessment could be made of what the participating group knew before and what they had learned after.
Yes, like I was saying, the focus group discussions were wonderful for the times we had them. We had different perspectives, especially after the movie, because initially they were a bit reluctant to speak, but then after watching the movie they came forth with what they learned, giving us even ideas for other movies.
A variation to the focus group discussions was a general engagement with the public. The old and young alike gave their views.
Insurance.
Meaning that insurance.
The crowds that patronized the events were sometimes overwhelming. They ranged from a minimum of 300 to 1,000. This is probably due to the multifaceted nature of the publicity with the use of posters, community listening points, one-on-one engagements, local TV broadcasts.
So I'm still inside Juba Tourist Spot. Yeah,
And the road announcements.
Our Heritage Africa Foundation and the GIZ, German Agency for International Development, and the National Insurance Commission.
Nonetheless, the crowd was also sustained as a result of well-packaged entertainment which preceded the movie. The entertainment comprised local content from the community.
Yeah.